Now, this is the kind of thing that is multi-purpose, multi-use. And the reason I bought it was to open my little paint pods when I'm painting. You know, the little kind that are round and they have the little lip on it and they have the two little tabs that meet right there. I can never get those things open. So I got this to open it, but there are lots of things it can do. I don't know all of them yet because I just got this in today, but it's a nice kind of metal, very lightweight though, not at all fragile, very thick. You can put it on your keychain and carry it with you so that you always have it handy when you need to open something. I wish I knew what the rest of those things were for, but I think they're for opening essential oils. And certainly you can stick that right under the lip of essential oil and lift the little shaker part of it off. I think that it's going to have a lot of uses. And so after I figured out 5 or 6 more, I'll come and report back. If you click on my name, it'll take you over to my storefront and you can type in maybe tool and see what other things I've come up with to use this for so that we get our money's worth. I mean, it's pretty inexpensive, but still. There's the size and the color and all the different outlines that you can use this for. Hope that helps you in discovering A, whether or not you're going to get it, and B, what kinds of things you're going to use it for.